What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just ended work, long day for me, and I'm actually excited because I'm going out for a movie. No, actually I'm actually going for dinner first, which is a Thai restaurant, so really excited for that. And then after that, movie. I need to fix my Einstein hair, man. It's giving me I don't know. So for the past few weeks I've been doing these like random vlogs, but I'm getting the hang of it. I'm back on the same rhythm as I was, back in Myanmar. So yeah, not bad. Hope I can keep this up and then vlog better. It's like taking an exam, ordering. Not very sweet. Usually all the Thai milk tea will be very sweet. Like super sweet. Good soup. The meatball feels like it's a little bit uncooked. Yeah. Google review 1 star. Fish is good.
Like what meal?
Last bite. I want the mango. Nah, this one yours. the last mango was so sour. Why? Because it was sweet all the while. Like, this back there used to be one of my favorite cinema in Singapore. And it's like one of the biggest and the most like grand, I don't know. It feels nice to be inside there. And they show a lot of the premiere movie here like every Thursday night back in the days, but now it's officially closed. Food paradise. More drinks. 90 cents. Bye. Hello guys. So yesterday vlog got cut short. I don't know, somehow I lost track of it, lost track of time. So about the restaurant, it's a great location. The food is just like, you know, okay, 5 out of 10. Not too amazing, not too crazy. The price is reasonable as well. So yeah, not bad. Just go there for, you know, the location if you want to take some photos, which I did. Anyway, Kung Fu Panda 4, not the best, you know, out there. I don't know, their quality kind of dropped in this series, so yeah, not the best. And then afterwards, we went to this Chinese, you know, convenience store where they sell all the stuff related in China. So yeah, we bought a lot of it. Bought a lot of instant noodle, bought a lot of juices, bought a lot of milk. And then yeah, came home tired. So I'm going to add up this vlog with yesterday's vlog. So today is a Saturday, off day, but I effed up something, so I need to go to work and then fix some stuff. And then yeah, we're going out to cycle, going out to the gym, and yeah, vlog. Basically, I worked on some cocktails last week and I totally forgot about one of the cocktails garnish. So yeah, I just bought some, having a snack, and then yeah, off to work. My favorite, donuts. Emoji bakery. Not the best out there, but it's very budget friendly.
Wait, yours take hot but never take cold.
Don't have.
They're washing.
They're washing. This is my first time in Singapore. Touristy. Wait, no, it looks good. It looks good. It's just all the cars parked in the skies. I'm amazed. I'm so fat. Ooh. 3 months, 5 months.
Going to labor.
Anyway, I'm home after a long walk around downtown area, Little India, Farrer Park, Bugis. Yeah, after that heavy dinner at Nando's, which was great by the way, but I think most of their sauces is just sour tasting. Yeah, that's a little bit weird, but the chicken is incredible. I'm surprised I've never really tried it before, but yeah, good. Anyway, this whole video is going different places and going nowhere, but so I apologize for that. But all in all, great 2 days, and yeah, that is it guys. Oh yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.